Hi, welcome to GrowZ Consulting again. In my earlier video, I've already discussed about the factors one needs to consider before taking up a health insurance plan. Now let's move forward and understand what are the type of plans which are available in the market, whether you need an insurance or not, and what is an ideal coverage for that. There are broadly three categories or three types of products which are available in the market: a plain vanilla medical insurance or health insurance, an accidental coverage, or a critical illness coverage. You should always opt for a plain vanilla medical or health insurance plan. Never club your critical illness or accidental coverage with your health insurance plan. The reason is very simple. Health insurance plans are decided basis a certain age group, and the premiums keep on changing with the increment in your age. You should always opt for critical illness or accidental coverage with your term life insurance plan, because there the premium is fixed at the time of inception of the policy and does not change every year, which means that your premium would always be stagnant and you will not be paying anything higher compared to a health insurance. The second point that we want to cover is who needs the health insurance. We generally come across this question or this statement from our clients stating that I already have a corporate plan and I don't need a health insurance separate. What we recommend them, or what we generally recommend and advise people, is you should always have a personal separate plan. Think of situation that I am working in a company and I resigned today on 21st of July from that particular company wherein I have a corporate coverage. My joining date in the new company is 29th of July. Now for these 8 periods, which is gestation period or the changeover period, there is no medical coverage for me anywhere. In case something happens during this particular period, which obviously is not defined and risk is always uncertain, then there is no medical coverage that I can fall back on. Hence, you should always have a backup plan for these insurance plans. The second most important point is that what is an ideal coverage that one should look at. As per our understanding, and this is what we have seen across, that in case of an individual plan, if you are opting for, take anything about 15 lakh, which should suffice the immediate medical cost of any of the entities. In case of family floater, this would increase to about 20 lakhs because then you're trying to cover the entire family. You should also understand the fact that risk is always ascertained and is always perceived, and there is no fixed calculation to ascertain that risk. So you can always do your calculation and understand what is your ideal coverage in that case. In case you may still have any questions or queries or want us to advise or manage your risk coverage, please feel free to visit our website www.growzconsulting.com and leave us your contact details. Professional help shall soon follow. Or you can contact us on the below mentioned number and we'll be more than glad to help you out. Stay safe, be healthy. Thank you.